For now, the other big headline tonight. Uday Kotak, the promoter of Kotak Mahindra Bank, today told the Bombay High Court that it was not easy to dilute promoter stake in the bank and meet the Reserve Bank norms. Therefore, Kotak's lawyers offered to cap promoters voting at 20% till May 2020. However, the Reserve Bank, we understand, has opposed the offer and the court has in fact rejected it. The court also adjourned the hearing till the 1st of April. Yash joins us now with more on this. So Yash, Kotak Mahindra presenting a proposal, but the court saying no can do.
Well, absolutely, Shireen, and it's certain that for now it will take a little longer. It will require a little wait when it comes to hearing and resolution on the merits of the case is concerned. But as far as today's hearing is concerned, essentially the Reserve Bank of India was expected to file its reply in the form of an affidavit. This reply was to Kotak Mahindra Bank's counsel stand when it comes to the entire mechanism of issuance of non-convertible preference shares when it comes to dilution of stake to 20%, the promoter stake to 20% from the current 30%. That is the stake held by Uday Kotak. That was taken on record, but a very brief argument from Uday Kotak's, Kotak Mahindra Bank's counsel, but a very powerful and important argument. Harish Salve, appearing for Kotak Mahindra Bank, said that it's not simple for the promoter to dilute a stake in the bank, which is a very strong portion in terms of, the quantity of that particular stake. But as a suggestion, what came from the council is that what can be looked at is that the voting rights of the promoter can be capped at equivalent to 20% of the stake held by that promoter in this bank, which is Kotak Mahindra Bank. To which the judge, Justice Oak, very categorically said that it's not that simple, and I'm quoting it here as is. Now, separately, we are also picking up from some of our sources in the legal team of the Reserve Bank of India that RBI would also not be very much comfortable when it comes to agreeing to a suggestion like this, when it comes to capping the voting rights. For them, it's very simple. The rationale that I'm picking up is that the whole contention is the shareholding, the concentration of the shareholding pattern when it comes to Uday Kotak shareholding in Kotak Mahindra Bank, and capping voting rights is not the solution. So of course they would be focusing as far as how that shareholding can be reduced and not capping the voting rights, because essentially capping the voting rights would not lead to transfer of those voting rights to another shareholder who buys that shareholding, but it will just lead to that particular portion of voting rights getting exhausted from that entire pie. So this is both sides and how they look at this particular suggestion. But of course, as you rightly pointed out, the matter has been deferred or adjourned till April 1st, when of course it will be very interesting to see if Kotak Mahindra Bank presses the same suggestion of capping the voting rights again, and if and how RBI really expresses its reservation on that particular suggestion.